You open it and you pour, not all of it, only a few beads in here. This is your glue.
Today we're doing art dudes and dudettes. So.
And Liv's gonna do some sewing.
Hi. Hello.
Hey.
Hello. Oh my god, you're sloppy. You stink. You can't take that. What is that? What is that?
Hello.
Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell.
Hey.
Good boy.
When did you get up here? I must have missed you.
Doggy massage. Might have to do this around. Oh, it's so clean. I feel good. You're looking good. Good boy. Where's Moon? Okay, let's go. Where's Mooney? Motion again.
That's alright.
Hello, folks.
Want to get a snack?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good
What
to
do
me.
you want to eat?
I don't know, what do you want to get? We got some chips, best chips going around, and also got a energy drink for tonight for myself. I haven't had one in forever, but I've got an overnight shift at the hospital as I work as a nurse. So,
Got this one.
antioxidant, something flavour, blueberry, raspberry, pear. Looks alright, nice colour.
And then I got some cranberry and pomegranate juice.
How good this one is.
Oh yes, I love the small hot chips.
Oh.
These are the chips we got. And some juice. And we're watching Superstore. Some cookies and some slice. And Libby.